Something that makes me look at you too often, baby. I want to share my world, don't you understand? Your love is a one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give all day long.
Hey les gars, j'espère que vous allez bien. Aujourd'hui, on se retrouve pour une vidéo perruque. Alors, je vais tester une perruque de la marque SHEIN, c'est WIG. C'est vraiment dans le thème de l'automne, de Halloween and shit. Dites-moi ce que vous en pensez. J'aime trop tester des nouvelles couleurs en ce moment. À l'époque, je faisais grave ça. Il y aura toutes les informations en barre d'infos ainsi que mon code promo. I don't know what it is. I can't tell you what it is, but you got me going crazy. This is you, it's so amazing. How long can you go, baby? Gotta last till my body's so crazy, baby. I'm talking crazy. I need you running my space, but I need it, baby. I'm late, but I still can check in with you. I know that I need my friends, but I wouldn't wanna leave. You know, I wouldn't wanna bleed, but my heart, my mind, and my body say vacation, no makeup, just Jay-Z. You were balls deep, now we beefing. At me butt naked at the MGM. So wasted, screaming fuck that. Blurry now, but I'm anything. Hurry now, baby, stick it in. For the memories get to kicking in. It's too late, I don't wanna lose. What's left of you? How am I supposed to tell you? I don't wanna see you with anyone but me. Nobody gets me like you. How am I supposed to let you go? Only like myself when I'm with you. Nobody gets me, you do. You do. Nobody gets me, you do. You do. Nobody gets me, you do. You do. Nobody gets me. You took me out to the ballet. You proposed, I went on the road. You was feeling empty, so you left me. Now I'm stuck dealing with a deadbeat. If I'm real, I deserve less. If I was you, I wouldn't take me back. I pretend when I'm with a menace. You when I know that it's too late, I don't wanna lose. What's left of you? How am I supposed to tell you? I don't wanna see you with gets me older. Nobody gets me older.
Putting all these egotistical niggas on a pedestal, all up in a woman's business. Worry about your revenue. Always think you know it all. You don't know what's best for you. Why you scared of therapy? Probably can't accept the truth. Ain't man enough to right your wrongs. Flashing money like we can't see all them ones. Always at the club but can't pick up your son. Fucking all them hoes, can't even make them come. Let's talk about it. 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 Yeah, 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 yeah. Yeah, 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 yeah. Won't put a ring on her finger, but put a baby up in her. Another child in a broken home, cause you afraid to commit. Let's talk